Our top story here at 5 o'clock. A Grady County judge denies a triple murder suspect's request to drop his charges under McGirt law.
Lawrence Anderson is now charged with the horrific 2021 murders of his uncle, a 4-year-old girl, and their neighbor. News 9 crime tracker Jennifer Pierce has the latest.
Even though the murders happened in Indian Territory, the judge denied Lawrence Anderson's request to dismiss his charges and the argument that Grady County doesn't have jurisdiction. The accused killer stood before a Grady County judge to waive his right to a preliminary hearing. The judge also ruled against the McGirt issue because Anderson doesn't have tribal citizenship. The attorneys did say 2 of the murdered victims belong to tribes. The hearing comes nearly 2 years after the horrific deaths of Anderson's uncle, Leon Pye, Pye's 4-year-old granddaughter, Chaos Yates, and neighbor Andrea Blankenship. Anderson admitted to cutting out the woman's heart and taking it to his uncle's home to feed him. The details too graphic for prosecutors to speak about after charges were filed last year.
There are some shocking there are a lot of details in the case that are very disturbing, and at this point I don't think it's appropriate for me to go into that.
Blankenship's cousin spoke to News 9, furious after learning Anderson was among a large group of prison sentences commuted by Governor Stitt.
We know that his parole and probation officer stated he felt like Mr. Anderson was a threat to himself and a threat to society.
Mr. Anderson, do you
No, he doesn't. No.
Anderson remains in the Grady County Jail. Anderson is set to be formally arraigned the morning of November 22nd. At the Grady County Courthouse, Jennifer Pierce, Oklahoma's own News 9.